Assalamu alaikum guys. Hi everyone. How are you? This is Farooq Khan from UE Tech Support. Today I am going to show you how to use DXBUY application for if you have a restaurant, cafeteria, grocery, any even for your home. You can buy for like parcel item like aluminum container, different item for plastic glass. So this application you can buy online. So this application really good. Before if you want to buy something, you have to go in the store. So now you don't need to go in the store, so only on your mobile. So let's start my video and I will show you how to buy and how to create your accounts and how can you buy from online, and they will delivery on every day. They have two delivery, so you can order anytime any amount without paying. You can pay by cash on delivery, and you can you can pay also on your credit card, visa card, anywhere. So this application will help you to how to buy. You can buy anything, and I will show you how what exactly they are selling. So let's go to on mobile screen. So guys, we are in mobile screen. So here you can see the application DXBuy. So this application it's not available on Play Store and Apps Store. Only you can I will show you how to download and how can you download from online. Okay, so let's open the apps DXBuy. So here you can see the interface shop and get by with the category. So here you can see there is have offer, always they putting offer, and then example I show you here. If you buy March until March 31, if you have around 15,000 dirham, you can, if you buy, they will give you gift. So if you purchase more, you will earn more mobile some devices. So here you can see, if you example, if you want to search something, here you can search whatever you want, and you can see here by category, like here this one there is a lot of products. So here you can see example, see paper bag, everything is there, everything for your restaurant, cafeteria, groceries, everywhere. Okay, and this is actually cheap, same like a wholesaler, not you can buy like expensive. This is not expensive. Okay, so here we can see there is something different. They have available ketchup also. See, example, if you want to order something like this, example, you want to buy this tissue, just click this one, add. Okay, example, I want to buy this one, then this one. Okay, so here already added. So this one I want. So if you want to order now, so just click here. See here all the items is available already, the 150. So just check out here. So here you have to choose the date when you want this delivery. So example, I want on 18. Then even you can choose the timing until what time you want. Just you click here, then here the change 157. There is a tax. There is no it will show here the your address, example my name, and then my place, so my number. So you can just make a payment, or you can make a payment. Okay, just here you click to complete order, so it will be sent it to them, and they will notify any every time if when they are coming, all the system come in here. So I am going to back this one. So here you can see how you will install these apps. Actually this is not available on Play Store and App Store. You have to, you can chat also here. Just click on three dots. So here you can see the plus all the items. So about us, just click here. Okay, so here, wait. So here now we'll just contact us. Yeah, this one. So here they put already the number 055 151 5075. This number you can call them, you can email, you can WhatsApp. So they will help you how to install. Okay, I hope you will enjoy this application, and very nice, and lot of these popular apps in Dubai. Okay, so thank you so much guys, and enjoy this application.
Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.